Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to VIVO X90 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Following that, click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, you need to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. On it, select all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots to select multiple files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen one. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you can pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access by choosing While using or Only this time, and point your VIVO's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!